Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the most pressing environmental issues of our time. Have you ever thought about what's lurking in your brain? It's a question that might make you pause and think. Well, brace yourself because today we are diving into a shocking discovery: microplastics in human brains. Yes, you heard that right, microplastics. A new study published in Nature Medicine just revealed a dramatic 50% increase in micro and nanoplastics in human brain samples from January 2024 compared to 2016. This is a significant finding that has left the scientific community astounded. That's right, those tiny plastic particles are not just in our oceans or fish, but in our heads too. It's a startling revelation that underscores the pervasive nature of plastic pollution. So what exactly are we talking about here? What are these microplastics? And how do they end up in our brains? Most of these plastics are nanoplastics, which are smaller than the width of a human hair. Imagine something so tiny, yet so potentially harmful. The majority found were polyethylene, a common plastic used in packaging and bags. This type of plastic is ubiquitous in our daily lives, making it a significant contributor to the problem. But here's where it gets even more concerning. Brains of individuals with dementia showed over 5 times higher plastic levels than the 2024 samples. Whoa! This raises serious questions about the potential link between plastic exposure and neurological health. Now, before we jump to conclusions, researchers caution against assuming causality. It's important to approach these findings with a critical mind. It's possible that dementia affects the blood-brain barrier, allowing more plastics to accumulate. This could mean that the condition itself makes the brain more susceptible to plastic infiltration. Let's take a step back and look at the long-term trend. How has the presence of microplastics in our brains evolved over the years? Comparing samples from 1997 to 2013 to more recent years shows a continuous rise in brain plastic concentrations. This trend is alarming and indicates a growing environmental and health crisis. In 2016, levels were more than double the older samples, and in 2024, almost quadruple. That's a staggering increase. It's a clear sign that our plastic consumption and disposal habits need urgent re-evaluation. But what does this mean for our health? What are the potential consequences of having microplastics in our brains? The full impact is still unclear. Scientists are working hard to understand the implications, but it's a complex issue with many variables. While we know plastic presence is rising, the exact effects on human health remain a big question mark. More research is needed to draw definitive conclusions. What we do know is that this isn't just about the brain. Microplastics have been found in various parts of our bodies. Microplastics have been found in our liver, blood, placenta, and even testicles. This widespread contamination is a cause for concern. So what can we do? How can we combat this invisible threat? Awareness is the first step. Understanding the extent of the problem is crucial for driving change. Understanding the extent of microplastic contamination can drive changes in how we use and dispose of plastics. It's about making informed choices. Perhaps it's time to rethink our reliance on single-use plastics. And small changes in our daily habits can lead to significant impacts. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's make small changes that could have a big impact. Thanks for watching. Your engagement helps spread awareness. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Every share helps amplify the message. Until next time, take care. Let's continue to explore and protect our world together.